carnage came from the air, courtesy of a drone piloted by Conway Fire Department. The clip below, which sweet vehicles, has been viewed on Facebook more than 1 million times. The scene is no less palatable up close. Photos posted to Facebook on Sunday seemed to show a black pickup truck that had somehow landed on top of a pile of vehicles and semis. Even more incredibly, the Facebook user who uploaded the photos, Ashley Rosane, writes in the caption that she had been in that very truck. It appears she took the photo from the roof of yet another vehicle in the pileup. Missouri 9 hours ago. Huge, deadly I-44 pileup in Missouri seen in stunning drone footage. The snow and icy conditions made driving treacherous on Missouri highways Sunday. 30-car and 12-car crashes on Missouri Highway leave 1 dead, others injured. The drone video was posted to the Facebook page of the Conway Volunteer Fire Department late Sunday. Here's an aerial view from the multiple vehicle accident at the MM106 on I-44, the post said. Missouri transportation officials reopened that stretch of the highway around 7 a.m. Monday. Most roads are clearing up, but there is still coverage in some areas, the Missouri Department of Transportation tweeted Monday, while urging drivers to use extra The crash near Springfield involved several vehicles and tractor-trailers and resulted in the death of a 63-year-old woman, according to local TV station, KY3 News, and other local media. Missouri State Police said more than 100 vehicles were involved in a series of accidents on I-44 Sunday that left the woman dead and 11 other people injured.